Hi developers, hope you are practicing Python. I am your host from Hyperabadi channel. Hope you are following my simplified Python series. So let's embark on a new journey and step up our programming game and learn about loops. So in this video I am going to explain what loops are and what kind of loops are available in Python, and I am going to explain this with an example. Okay, so why wait? Let's go over to the editor. All right, hope you can see my screen. So what are loops? So this is multi-string format. What are Python loops? Okay, so let me increase the font. So let me explain why do we need loops, then I'll explain what loops are. So imagine you are you know you are given a task uh, to print 10 first 10 natural numbers. Okay, so what natural numbers, just a quick refreshers, natural number starts with 1 2 3 so on so forth. Okay, and since the task is to print up to 10, okay, so what usually do, you simply write print. Okay, so the way you approach this is you can assign a variable n equals 1 and print n. Okay, and then bump up the value, then print. Okay, so let us repeat 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. As you can see, it is very mundane job. Okay, to bump up the value, increment the value, and then print. Okay, so let me save this pressing Ctrl S, and I can run this, and there you go, first 10 natural numbers. But isn't it boring for us, to keep printing and then incrementing, keep printing and incrementing? What if it is 100 or 1000 or 100,000? Okay, so how we gonna solve this issue? Okay, so Python or any programming language, it offers, okay, a control structure. Okay, um, so Python offers a control structure. We already discovered what is real conditional control structure using if. So here so it lets, okay, you to repeat, okay, a piece of code, okay, for n times or until a given condition is not resulted, or given condition is not met. Okay, so these are called loops. Okay, these have other names also, iterative control structure. This is also called repetitive control structure. Okay, and all means the same. Okay, so as you can see, we are not doing anything special here. We are just printing and incrementing it. Okay, so let me quickly help you to refactor this sequential code into a loop. So Python offers the first loop we are going to cover is a while loop. Okay, a while loop. So let me write a syntax. The syntax is while. While is a keyword. Okay, while, and then you have to write conditional expression. Okay, so you know what conditional expression is. Okay, either it resulting true or false. So while the conditional expression yielding true, okay, do something. So how do we designate that? By giving the indentation. For example, execute instruction. Okay, and you can do that and keep repeating that for a few times. So, until this is done, it is going to repeat as long as this condition is met. Once this condition resulting into false, automatically the control is going to jump from this position to after the loop this position. Okay. All right. So, we assign n equal to 1. So, let us convert. So, what is the syntax? While what is the task? Task is to print until 100, while n is less than equal to 100, then colon. Okay, that's where it ends. Then just say print n. Okay, and then what we have to do is we have to increment it. If you don't increment it, then this condition will always be resulting true, and this will become a never ending loop, also known as an infinite loop. Okay. So, in order to break of infinite loop, you have to press Control C in the shell to send the signal to the shell saying that, hey, I just want to break the execution of this program. Okay. So, let me save this and get rid of this statements what I have written in the past, remove this. Okay. So, let us understand, we initialize a variable and we are saying while n is less than not equal to 100, print the n and n plus equal to 1. Very simple, see, just 3 lines of code, and let us run this. You see, now we have printed 100. So, to make it easy, what we can do is print have it can take a parameter. All right, the syntax was and we have to pass the keyword parameter. So, I am going to discuss in detail what does it means to be a parameter when we cover the functions. Okay. So, just make it simple, easy, 10, okay, save it and let me clear the console, CLS, then run it. Voila, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. And as you can see, it is printing in one line. Now, just change it to 20 just to have fun. There you go. Okay. What if you want to start from 10 and go all the way 20? Why not? Just change the value, initial value, okay, and 10. So, in short, you need to initialize a counter, okay, then specify a condition, and then this is body of the loop. Okay, do whatever. So, here we are interested in printing, and then here increment the counter. Okay, very simple. Okay, all right. Keep practicing. Until next time, keep programming. Bye.